Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning,
everybody.
ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. How about you?
I'm also
Good morning, ma'am. How about you?
I'm good, beta. Thank you. I'm fine. Okay.
Ma'am, today's test
Yes, I know. Let
of
everybody.
Golden Bird.
Yes, let everybody join.
Yes, ma'am.
Hinda, Madiha, Musa. Shall I put you all in the waiting room? Videos are off. Okay. I'm sharing the screen. I'm writing the questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. We have to write or we have to
Yes,
say
yes,
orally.
written.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So that
Okay.
it is easy for others to know. Remember the questions, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Afterwards, na, you will tell me this question you never showed us, miss. We forgot. Okay. All right. All of you will copy that. Who has sent me a chat now? Ma'am, I have network problems. Okay. Please rectify the problems, Musa. Every day it is difficult, no, if you have network problems. Check with your internet connection person. Why is it happening? Hinda and Madiha, are you there? Bilal, why you're quiet?
Yes, ma'am.
Not well?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened, beta?
I'm having cold, ma'am.
Ah, you're feeling drowsy, no?
Yes.
Hmm. One moment, I'm just sharing the word.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today is 23, beta?
Yes, ma'am. It's 23.
23, no?
Yes, ma'am. 23, ma'am.
Can
Date.
you all see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We can't see.
No,
Now?
ma'am, we can't.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your camera is foggy.
I don't know. It's just the same. Every day I use the same thing.
Uh,
Wait, let me check. Now?
yes, ma'am. It is okay.
All right.
There was fog.
There was, I think, dust maybe, na?
Yes, ma'am. Dust or fog.
And now, today it's very cold here also.
Here also, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
I was not liking to get up early.
Everybody is feeling the same. Shall I give the answers also so that you all know what are the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Some children, they don't know the answers. That is why it's difficult then. Please mute your call. There's some noise. Hina, there's noise from your house.
Ma'am, I am mute only.
No.
So ma'am, you mute everyone.
I don't know from whose. It is showing your screen. I'll mute everybody.
Ma'am, is this test?
This is revision.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please join on time. Otherwise, you will miss the work. You all want me to write the answers or you all will try the answers?
Ma'am, we will try.
You will try
try.
these answers?
Ma'am, I will try.
All of you tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You all want to try the answers on your own from the textbook? We can discuss it in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am, can
No,
you share the
ma'am.
screen? I am writing the meaning.
I am asking you beta something. That is why I have stopped the screen. I will share it again. Do you all want me to write the answers? Because you all will go for a holiday day
No,
after
ma'am.
tomorrow.
No, ma'am.
You
No,
all will
ma'am.
search the answers.
Yes, ma'am. You have given also.
Okay, these are different questions. These are extra questions. I have not given these answers. I'm writing the answers. I'm writing the answers so that you all know the answers.
Ma'am,
Pause. Yes.
you are not feeling well.
What, beta?
You are not feeling well.
How you know?
Ma'am, ma'am, your face is ugly.
Yes, I have swelling because I have very high blood pressure, beta. I'm not feeling well, but still I'm trying to teach you all. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Please pray for me, okay?
Ma'am, can you upload it in Google Classroom?
Yes, I will upload on Google Classroom. Okay, completed answer 1 till answer 1.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, 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 ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ji,
ma'am, I have written the answer one, ma'am, a little different, ma'am.
no, write down what I'm giving. There's no need to write something else. Write this. I'm giving you the answers. Completed till here. Shall I continue?
No, ma'am.
Completed, beta?
Yes.
I am in
No.
second one. I am in second
Okay.
question, ma'am.
Okay.
do we have to write the answers also?
Why? For whom I'm writing the answers, Hinda? Then for myself.
No,
Then why are you asking me this?
Can you write the third one?
No, I'm waiting for all to complete, beta.
Ma'am, we will send in Google Classroom, no?
Yes, I will send. If you're complete, tell me, then I'll start writing and I'll scroll the screen.
I'm complete.
All of you.
I am not,
only
ma'am.
one
No,
person.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ah.
we are write a question also.
Yes, beta. Otherwise, how you know what is the question?
Okay, ma'am.
Write the question also. Please mute your call. There's some noise, beta. Hinda, switch on to your window. Last time I'm saying, I'll put you out. I'll remove you then. You're not special, Hinda. Everybody is same, beta. I have to keep the same thing for all, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot shout at one child and others I have to pamper. You all are same for me, beta. I'm writing the next question now. Third one.
Ma'am, where?
Who knows this answer? Why do you think the bird gave Bawang a reward?
Mummy,
Ma'am, I know.
the bird gave Bawang a
Bawang.
reward because he was a good child.
Very good. Now these questions, answers I'll ask, okay?
Can you do?
Ma'am, can you do little up?
Ma'am, can you do it? Second question. Ma'am, can you do a little bit of more up?
You had already completed, no? Third question I have written, Hinda. You have
Ma'am,
completed.
sorry, I did something mistake in the first one.
What?
I did some mistakes in the first one.
Then why were you sitting and that time telling me write another one?
Ma'am, I saw it right now.
Okay. All of you are writing? Hina, Hamza, Madiha.
I am writing my
All of you are writing, no? Nida, Bilal, Musa, Sara, Ikra, all are writing. Is Sayyid there today? Sayyid? Can
No,
you
ma'am.
see him, Sayyid?
No,
What
ma'am.
about Mariam? Mariam, why is the video off? Mariam? Mariam? Are you there, Mariam?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is your video off?
I don't know.
What?
Ma'am, it's on.
What? Just now you started it. Before it was off. All right, I'm writing the last question now. Next question. Who knows this answer?
Ma'am, me Hina.
Say.
Me, Nida.
Why? What did the bird do to help Bawang? Yes? Can you all hear me, beta?
Fourth.
Yes. It was disconnected, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm sending that question. Answer. Tell me the answer, Hina.
Ma'am, the bird gave. Sorry. The bird pecked Bawang's head. Instead of blood, golden flowers appear in her hair. In this way, the bird helped Bawang.
You forgot
Okay.
to mention the sarong.
What?
Sarong, ma'am.
Yes. Bilal, say the answer.
The bird
Ma'am,
pecked.
I say?
Bilal, say first.
The bird pecked Bawang's head, but instead of blood, gold flowers appeared in her hair. Then he pecked her body, and her sarong turned to gold.
Yes, this is the complete answer. Okay? Write it down. Bilal, just tell me, I'll write
Ma'am,
it.
you only
Ma'am, this is
give
wrong
this
answer.
answer.
Because there is another question related to it. Why was Bhavang happy when her sarang turned gold? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Is that clear, Hina?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I say the answer?
Yeah, tell me the answer.
The bird pecked Bhavang's head, but instead of
1 minute,
blood,
1 minute. The bird pecked Bhavang's head. Okay.
but instead of blood,
But instead of blood, gold flowers appeared in her hair. Yes,
yes, ma'am,
in her hair.
her.
Then he pecked her body.
Then he pecked her body and her sarong turned to gold.
Then he pecked her body and sarong turned to gold. In this way, the bird helped Bhavang. Clear, Hina? Now? Yes?
Ma'am, wait a second, I'm copying.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, copy beta. You can write the answers in the exam in your own words. Make sure all the points are covered. Okay? But meanings don't write on your own. Whatever I have given, use the answer. Okay? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ikra, I'm looking very ugly, Ikra. Yes? Yes,
No,
Ikra?
ma'am.
Ikra is saying no, miss, you're looking ugly.
I'm not very much.
Okay, but my
Yes,
face
ma'am,
is
your
looking,
face sleepy.
face is swollen because of the high BP, beta.
You are looking sleepy.
Yes,
Ma'am, can you share?
yes. I thought you all completed, beta. Can I ask you all a few questions orally now?
Wait, ma'am. I finish this, then I will.
Yes, complete, then I'll this thing. Completed, beta?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, I am in last line. Sir, पर question answer
Done, ma'am.
Please switch on to your videos, all of you, those who have switched it off for no reason. Hamza, Mariam, Ikra, Hinda. Hinda, I'm going to complain today to Christina ma'am that your video is always off.
Done, ma'am.
I will be complaining now. Okay, because you're not listening to me. See, again, she put it off. Okay, first question.
Ma'am, my video is on only.
Just now you on it. True or false? No arguments? No arguments. Okay. First one. Bhavang sang to Tilalongan. True or false?
True.
Okay.
True.
All of you can answer. All of you can answer. Okay. Next. Gold flowers appeared in Bhavang's hair.
True.
Okay. Tilalongan was an ordinary bird.
False.
Bhavang's sarong turned to gold.
True.
Okay. Now, did Bhavang want anything for herself? Explain your answer.
No,
No.
Bhavang not want anything
One
for
person,
herself.
tell me one person.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say? Can I say?
Can I say?
Hamza will say. Hamza.
No, Bhavang did not want anything for herself. She lost all our basket of clothes near a river bank. He want to buy
Buy
a new
clothes for her family.
family.
Yes, she didn't want anything for herself. She had lost a basket of clothes and she wanted those clothes for
Ma'am,
her
can I
family.
tell?
Yes?
Can I tell the answer?
Why? He said the answer, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you another question, then you answer, beta. What did the bird give Bhavang?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
The bird gave Bhavang golden flowers and golden sarong.
Golden flowers and golden.
Sarong. Ma'am, this answer is a bit different because you said we could give different answers, but we could
No,
not
but
change them.
actually you can say reward. The bird gave a reward to Bhavang.
Bhavang.
Yes, okay. All right. And can you tell me what did the bird sing? Sorry, what did Bhavang sing to the bird when she was
Ma'am,
sitting on the tree?
a golden bird, I am so miserable. I no longer wish to live. Come peck me till I die.
Ma'am, Bilal is saying.
Excellent. Very good, Bilal. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, Bilal is saying.
No, he is not seeing. Bilal, you were seeing? I cannot see him seeing anything. You were seeing and telling the answer?
He is on the computer, that's why.
He doesn't have a book, no, but you have a book.
No, we have PDF now.
He doesn't have. Tina, why are you being so inquisitive? Why? Can you say the answer? So you say the answer if you know the answer. You know the answer? Yes, Hina?
What, ma'am?
Do you know the answer which Bilal gave?
Ma'am, it's too cold.
It's too cold. I'm asking, do you know the answer? Ina, stop playing with that, beta. I'm talking to you. Do you know the answer which Bilal gave?
Little.
Tell me.
Golden bird.
I am so miserable.
Golden bird, I am so miserable. I no
longer wish to.
Well, I no longer wish to live. Peck me till I die.
Come peck me till I die.
Die.
Okay. A golden bird is taken from which folk tales? It is written by whom?
By whom?
What?
By whom, ma'am?
By Guinea Wade. It is given on the last page. From the folk
Yes,
tales
ma'am.
of the
Guinea
world.
Wade.
Yes, Guinea Wade.
Yes, it is given on page number 60. Guinea Wade. Okay. And Who
Ma'am,
said these words? Who said these words? To whom? Now I can sell the gold and buy my family. Yes.
Ma'am, nothing. Ask the question. What
Please
was the
mute
question?
yourselves. All of you mute yourselves. Who said these words to whom? Now I can sell the gold and buy my family new clothes. Oh bird,
Ma'am,
how
Bawang.
can I ever thank you?
Ma'am, Bawang.
Ma'am,
Bawang said these
Bawang.
words to the
Bawang.
bird. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have been watching over you, Bawang, and you are a good child. This
Ma'am,
is
tell
your
longer.
reward.
Tell longer.
Who said this to whom?
Ma'am, that bird tell longer.
Said these words to?
Bawang.
Bawang.
Say in the complete sentence, beta. The bird Tilalongan said these words to Bawang. Okay?
Yes.
Anybody knows why Bawang was crying?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes, ma'am.
her
We lost all our clothes. Ma'am, mother
Yes,
will be
lost
so
a basket
cross
of
if I lost
clothes
all our clothes.
near the river.
Mother will
Okay.
be so cross if I lost all our clothes.
Which word is given to describe the bird?
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am,
Me.
ma'am,
A golden
ma'am,
bird.
gas
A golden
passed in
bird.
it.
golden
Yes,
bird.
very
Golden
good.
bird.
Golden
Golden
bird.
bird. A golden.
Golden bird. Yes. Okay. What is do you all know synonyms?
Yes, ma'am. My tuition teacher taught me, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give me a synonym for laugh? Laugh.
Laugh.
Laughing. Laughing. Ma'am, laughing.
Ma'am,
Laughing.
Ma'am, giggle. Ma'am,
Giggle.
giggle.
Yes.
Giggle.
Okay. Synonym. Next word. Synonym for noise.
Sound.
Ma'am, sound.
Okay. Synonym for mistake. Mistake.
Wrong.
Wrong, ma'am.
Wrong.
Error. Error.
Error, yes.
Synonym for teach. Teach.
Teaching.
Fail.
Teaching. Study, ma'am.
Instruct.
Instruct.
Okay. Next word. Synonym for good.
Nice.
Good.
Nice. Ma'am, is it
Excellent.
nice?
Excellent. Good. Excellent.
Nice.
Synonym for little. Little.
Small.
Okay. Synonym for scared. Scared.
Afraid.
Frightened.
Afraid.
Ma'am, I told.
So
No,
we
I
have completed the revision of synonyms also, and we have completed the lesson A Golden Bird. Yes? Is that
Yeah,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now tomorrow the next class is public speaking. Okay? And
tomorrow is holiday.
why?
You say no.
When I said
Ma'am, can I take a break?
we are ending the session. Bilal, why do you all ask me questions which are not related to? When you all go to school, do you all do this? Can I take a break? Can I do this?
No, ma'am.
In the classroom, you have to sit continuously, yes? Okay. Now, tomorrow is the last day of school, and day after tomorrow, I said your holidays are starting. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right? Okay? So, tomorrow is public speaking class. I will allow you all to talk, express your feelings. Okay? Talk to your friends tomorrow. Okay? I'll give you a chance to talk to your friends. We will share some good memories in the class. Okay?
Ma'am, we will play also that word game.
We'll play some game. Like that homophones we did.
Yes.
No, I will search something. Okay?
Yes.
All right.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, yes, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye.
Bye.
Copy this from Google
Bye,
Classroom.
ma'am.
Huh?
Take care. Yes.
What, beta?
Ma'am, take care of you.
Yes, beta. Pray for me. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.